Hello students, so in today's class we'll be studying about partial differential equation module 3. So before proceeding on to a problem related to partial differential equation, let us know what is partial differential equation. So an equation involving one or more partial derivative, an equation which involves one or more partial derivative of a function of two or more variable is called partial differential equation. I'll repeat once again the definition of a partial differential equation. An equation involving one or more partial derivative of functions of two or more variables is called as partial differential equation. So, let me consider a relation of the form f of x comma y comma z comma a comma b equal to 0. Here z is the function of x and y. Okay, z is the function of x and y, and this a and b are the two constants. A and b are the two constants. So this is a relation, a partial differential equation relation is of the form f of x y z comma a comma b equal to 0, where z is a function of x and y. So it is an equation of two or more variable. Okay, so and a and b are the constants. There are a few notations that you have to know, and remember partial differentiation is always denoted as dou. Okay, so dou by dou z, which is also equal to zx, is also equal to p. Wherever you have dou z by dou x, you have to always represent it as p. Next, dou z by dou y, which is also equal to zy, is denoted as q. So wherever you have dou z by dou y, you have to represent it as q. So dou square z by dou x square, that is a double differentiation of dou z by dou x is dou square z by dou x square. So that is also equal to zxx. So that is equal to r. Next, dou square z by dou x into dou y, or dou square z by dou y into dou x. So dou square z by dou x into dou y means it is equal to zxy, and dou square z by dou x into dou y means that is equal to zyx. So that is all equal to s. Okay, so here it is also shown, it is also given that zxy is also equal to zyx. Okay, next dou square z by dou y square, that is a double partial differentiation of dou z by dou y is dou square z by dou y square. So that is also equal to zyy, which is also equal to t. And partial differentiation of x with respect to y. X with respect to y is a constant, so that will be equal to 0. Similarly, partial differentiation of y with respect to x is also constant, so that will be equal to 0. So these are the few notations that we apply to solve when we solve a problem related to partial differential equation. So let us know what is the procedure. So first of all, the first concept under partial differential equation is formation of partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant. Okay, so whatever arbitrary constants you have in a given question, in a given equation, for example, if we have A, B, C or whatsoever, whatever arbitrary constants are given in a question, okay, that in a equation, you have to eliminate it. So formation of a partial differential equation by eliminating a arbitrary constant. So let us know what are the procedure under this. So step 1, you need to differentiate the given relation partially with respect to x. Okay, so z equal to some equation will be given to you in the form of x and y. So first of all, you need to differentiate the given relation or equation partially with respect to x. And when you differentiate z with respect to x, you get dou z by dou x. So you need to write it as a p, because we know from the notation from the previous slide, dou z by dou x is also equal to p. Okay. Next, step 2. Similarly, after differentiating it with respect to x, we need to differentiate it with respect to y. So when you differentiate it with respect to y, you get dou z by dou y, because you are differentiating z with respect to y, and whatever you have towards the RHS, alright, and that will be equal to q, and eliminate the arbitrary constant. Whatever arbitrary constant is present in the given equation, you need to eliminate that. So we'll proceed further by solving the problem related to partial differential equation, eliminating the arbitrary constant. So under that first one, Okay, before that, let us know one thing. If the given relation contains two or more arbitrary constant, okay, remember, if a given relation contains two or more than two arbitrary constants, then we have to differentiate partially with respect to x and y twice. Okay, remember, if you have only one arbitrary constant, then we'll be differentiating it only once. If you have more than two or more than two arbitrary constant, then we have to differentiate it twice. X and y, we need to differentiate it twice. So here is my first problem. Form partial equation by eliminating arbitrary constants from z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. So what are z is a function of x and y here. What are the arbitrary constants? Arbitrary constants are a and b. Alright. Arbitrary constants are a and b, a and y, sorry, x and y, sorry, a and b, and the two variables are x and y. Okay, so let us write whatever is given in the question first. So given z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. So let me name this as equation 1. So according to a procedure, what is step 1? We need to differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. So what is the different partial differentiation of z with respect to x? We denote a partial differentiation as a dou. So partial differentiation of z with respect to x is dou z by dou x equal to, we need to even differentiate our RHS term. So let me differentiate the RHS of equation 1 now. So partial differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus a is a constant here. So partial differentiation of a with respect to x is 0 into y plus b as it is. Next, what is dou z by dou x? We have to denote dou z by dou x as p. Therefore, p is equal to 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into y plus b is y plus b. So, let me name this as equation 2. So, what we have to do next? We have differentiated equation 1 partially with respect to x, and we got p is equal to y plus b. Next, we have to proceed further by differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y. So apply step 2, that is differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Alright. So what is the partial differentiation of equation 1 with respect to y? So that is dou z by dou y. Differentiation of z with respect to y is dou z by dou y equal to differentiation of y plus b is y with respect to y is 1. B with respect to y is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into x plus a is x plus a. But what is dou z by dou y? We denote dou z by dou y as q. Therefore, you get equation 3 as x is equal to x plus q is equal to x plus a. So we know what is equation 2, we know what is equation 3 now. So we need to substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. So replace in the place of x plus a as q, and in the place of y plus b, equation b. So you get z is equal to q into b. So that is what you are substituting in equation 1. So this is my final answer where I have eliminated the arbitrary constants a and b. Now we'll proceed further solving the next problem. Ax square plus by square plus z square equal to 1. So always we write z as a function of x and y. Anything is fine, no problem. You can write it anyhow. But make sure that you eliminate the two constants a and b. So remember, in this question you have only two constants a and b. If you have two or more if you have two or more variables, then you have to differentiate it thrice. So now ax square plus by square plus z square equal to 1. Alright, so what is z square equal to from this? Z square is equal to 1 minus ax square minus by square. Okay, z square is equal to 1 minus ax square minus by square. So let me name this as equation 1. So I need to differentiate this equation 1 first according to step 1 partially with respect to x. So what is the differentiation of z square with respect to x? Differentiation of z square with respect to x is 2z into dou z by dou x. equal to differentiation of 1 with respect to x. 1 is a constant with respect to x. So differentiation of 1 with respect to x is 0 minus differentiation of x square into a with respect to x is differentiation of x square is 2x. 2x into a is 2ax. Next, differentiation of by square with respect to x. This entire term is a constant. So with respect to x, this entire term will be 0. Now, what will remain in the RHS? Therefore, 0 minus 2ax is minus 2ax. Now, do the substitution according to step 1. Dou z by dou x is equal to p. So, you get 2zp is equal to minus 2ax. So, 2 will get cancelled on both the side towards the LHS as well as towards the RHS. So, what will remain? Zp is equal to a into x. X is not cancelled here. Alright, just 2 is cancelled. So, you get Zp is equal to minus ax. We have to substitute in equation 1 for the value of a. So we'll find what is a equal to from this. Therefore, a is equal to take x to the LHS. So that gets divided in the denominator. So you get a is equal to minus zp by x. A is equal to minus zp by x. So we have found a now to substitute in equation 1. Next we need to find b. So to find b, we need to differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Okay. So differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y. So differentiation of z square with respect to y is 2z into dou z by dou y. 1 is 0, ax square is a constant with respect to y, so that entire term is 0. Differentiation of by square with respect to y is differentiation of y square is 2y. So 2y into b is minus 2by. So that will be your RHS now. So again, since you have an equal sign, 2 will get cancelled on both the side towards LHS as well as towards RHS. Let us find what is B so that we can substitute that in equation 1. Therefore, B is equal to minus ZQ by Y. Therefore, B is equal to minus ZQ by Y. Now, let us substitute A and B, whatever we have found in equation 1. Therefore, z square is equal to 1 minus a. What is a? Minus zp by x into x square. A into x square minus b into y square. What is b? Minus zq by y. So, x in the denominator, 1 x in the numerator will get cancelled. Similarly, 1 y in the denominator, 1 y in the numerator will get cancelled. So, what is your final answer? Z square is equal to 1 minus into minus is plus zpx plus minus into minus is plus zqy. So this is your final answer. So I have eliminated my constants a and b here. So we'll proceed for the next problem. Okay. Z is equal to a log of x square plus y square plus b. So let me denote my given equation as equation 1. Okay. So according to as usual, we have to differentiate a given equation partially with respect to x. So partial differentiation of z with respect to x is dou z by dou x. A is a constant. Keep a as it is. Differentiation of log of x square plus y square is 1 by x square plus y square into differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to x is 2x plus 0 plus b is a constant. So differentiation of b with respect to 0 is 0. Sorry, b with respect to x is 0. So therefore dou z by dou x means it is p. So 2x plus 0 is 2x. 2x into a is 2ax divided by x square plus y square. So p is equal to 2ax by x square plus y square. Okay, so next we'll differentiate it partially with respect to y. So differentiation of z with respect to y is dou z by dou y equal to a is a constant, a will remain, sorry, a is a constant that will remain as it is. Differentiation of log of x square plus y square is 1 by x square plus y square into differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to y is 0 plus 2y. So 2y into a is 2ay divided by x square plus y square, whereas dou z by dou y is equal to q. So we'll divide p with the q. So p divided by q is equal to 2ax by what is p? 2ax by x square plus y square divided by 2ay by x square plus y square. So when I take this numerator to the denominator, it will be reciprocal. So you get numerator will remain as it is, that is 2ax by x square plus y square, whereas the denominator will be x square plus y square by 2ay. Cancel the terms, x square plus y square, x square plus y square, 2a. So what will remain here? X by y. Therefore, p by q equal to x by y. Just cross multiply. So p into y is equal to x into q. Bring this x into q to the LHS. So you get py minus qx is equal to 0. So that is the final answer. We have eliminated the arbitrary constant a. So the next problem is very important. X square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. Okay. So we have to differentiate first partially with respect to x. So differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x divided by a square plus differentiation of partial differentiation of y square by b square with respect to x is 0 plus partial differentiation of z square with respect to x is 2z into dou z by dou x divided by c square equal to 0. Now you have how many constants here? So as I told you previously, whenever you have more than two or more than two constant, you have to differentiate it to twice. Okay, you have to differentiate it twice. So you have a square, b square and c square here. Okay. So first of all, which is a common term between these two now? So 2 is a common term. So what will remain inside the bracket? That is x by a square plus z by c square into dou z by dou x equal to 0. So let me name this as equation 1. So we have to differentiate this partially with respect to x once again. Okay. So what is the differentiation of x by a square? So that is 1 by a square plus 1 by c square into, for z into dou z by dou x, you have to apply uv rule. Okay. So first function into, what is the first function here? It is z into partial differentiation of dou z by dou x. You have to differentiate it twice. So dou square z by dou x square plus the second function into differentiation of first. So differentiation of z with respect to x is dou z by dou x equal to 0. Now what is dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is p. So dou z by dou x into dou z by dou x will be p square. What is dou square z by dou x square? From the notation, dou square z by dou x square is equal to L. Okay, so denote all that. So 1 by a square plus 1 by c square into ZL plus P square equal to 0. Therefore, what is 1 by A square equal to? Therefore, 1 by A square is equal to, take this entire term to the RHS, you get a minus of ZL plus P square by C square, minus of ZL plus P square by C square. So, that is my equation 2. So from equation 1 we have x by a square plus z by c square dou z by dou x equal to 0. This is from equation 1. So what is x by a square equal to? X by a square is equal to minus z dou z by dou x means that is equal to p. So minus zp by c square. So what is 1 by a square from this? This x will go to the denominator. It gets multiplied with the c square. Alright, so you get 1 by a square is equal to minus zp by xc square. So let me name this as equation 3. Therefore, substituting 3 in equation 2. Okay, you have to substitute 3 in equation 2. What do you get when you substitute 3 in equation 2? You get minus zp by xc square is equal to minus of zl plus p square by c square. What gets cancelled here? C square will get cancelled here. Okay, it gets cancelled here. So what will remain? That will be your final answer. That is, the minus also will get cancelled since you have an equal sign. So negative sign also will get cancelled on both the sides. So here Zp is equal to, this x will get multiplied to the RHS, so x into ZL plus P square. If you want, you can multiply x inside the bracket and you can bring both the terms to the LHS. You can do that also. So this is your final answer. So we'll move on to the next problem now. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants from x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z square is equal to c square. So here a, b, c are the arbitrary constant. So what is the equation of a sphere? So x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z minus c the whole square equal to 0 is an equation of a sphere. So whatever equation has been given here, let me denote it as equation 1. So how many constants you have in this equation? You have three constants that is a, b and c. So whenever you have three constants, you have to differentiate partially twice. Alright, x and y. If sometimes you can differentiate only x, sometimes you can differentiate only y. Anyhow you can solve, but you make sure that you eliminate all the three constant a, b, c. So let me differentiate my equation 1 partially with respect to x. So what do you get? Differentiation of x minus y the whole square is. How do we differentiate x square? Differentiation of x square is 2 into x, right? 2 into x. So what is the differentiation of x minus a the whole square here? It is 2 into x minus a. Plus, what is the differentiation of y minus b the whole square with respect to x? With respect to x, y minus b the whole square is 0. So differentiation of z square is 2z into dou z by dou x equal to differentiation of c square is also constant with respect to x. So even that term will be equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into x minus a is equal to take plus 2z into dou z by dou x to the other side. So that will be minus 2z into dou z by dou x. Since you have an equal sign, 2 will get cancelled on both the sides. So you get x minus a is equal to z into dou z by dou x is equal to p. So x minus a is equal to minus z to p. So this will be my equation 2. Next, let me differentiate it partially with respect to y. So what is the partial differentiation of equation 1 with respect to y? X minus a the whole square with respect to y will be 0. So y minus b the whole square with respect to y is 2 into y minus b into differentiation of y minus b is 1. So we don't write it here. Plus the differentiation of z square is 2z into dou z by dou y equal to 0. Once again take this entire term to the RHS. So you get 2 into y minus b is equal to minus 2z into dou z by dou y. 2 will get cancelled on both the sides. So you get y minus b z Q, that is equation 3. So next step we have to substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. So minus zp the whole square plus minus zq the whole square. In the place of x minus a the whole square, I have replaced it by RHS of equation 2, that is minus zp the whole square plus y minus b the whole square is minus zq the whole square plus z square will remain as it is equal to c square. So z square p square plus z square q square plus z square equal to c square. Take z square as a common term. So what will remain inside bracket? That's p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to c square. Sorry, c square is not a constant here. A and A and b are the constants. A and b are the constants. Thank you.